Guys, this is Fun Automotive, and in this video we're going to be talking about some interior lights. Now I have some lights shipped to me, and man, oh man, what a difference these lights really are compared to the stock ones. Now let me just turn this camera around and show you guys what I mean. Alright, now as you guys can see, it is dark outside. No lights are on in the Jeep right now. Not one light. Now let me just show you guys the difference from the inside. From the front is all aftermarket, the rear is OEM, and then the very back light, this is what quality you get when you buy from the people who sent me these. Quality, OEM, cheap aftermarket. Now, let me show you guys what I mean here. Look at that. Wow, what a difference. That is something else. Right there, both feet also. Sorry it's so dirty, we live out here in the country, it's all dirt. But wow, what a difference this makes. Man, serious difference. Alright, now let me show you guys the back portion and show you just what I mean. But look at how dull this is. Let me turn off the light on the camera. There's what you're seeing. Right here is all the dull light. All of it. That's all the OEM light. All of that light. Just all OEM. Compared to that, to this. This is OEM. Right there, you guys. That is OEM light. It does not look good, I'm telling you. Terrible. Terrible, terrible. You can see now, cheap. Look at that. On camera, it almost shows up bluish purple. Now, this is what I had in my Jeep Liberty. These are cheap quality lights in the rear. Very, very bad. I should have went with this brand. This is such a better brand. Now, trust me when I tell you guys will love these for your Jeep. Any Jeep. It will fit any Jeep, these bulbs. Not just the Grand Cherokee, but any Jeep. That, of course, takes these bulbs. I'm pretty sure the Wranglers do too. But yeah, I mean, look at that. Terrible quality. See, that's the lighting that comes up right now. It's not terrible. It's a little bit better actually than OEM. It's still white. You see, it is still white. Don't worry about all this. This is all my tools. And then OEM, as you can see in there, how dark it is. Look at how nasty and dark that is. Now, this is aftermarket quality lights. Now, let me show you exactly what the bulbs actually look like and came in the package. That is what they look like when I got them. That's the bulb that it will take on your Liberty or Grand Cherokee or maybe even a Wrangler. AUTOONE LED 10-piece light, long-lasting, high brightness, low power consumption. And this is the back details for you guys. White 10-pack. Not too bad. I'm really happy with it. How to change the bulb on these bulbs is just like the top ones up there. Exactly the same. The floors are exactly the same as the very top bulbs. They just pull out and then you just take the new one and plug it back in. That's all you do. And then with this one up here, there's one screw. You unscrew that one screw, and then this whole thing is clamped in on both sides with clips. And you just pull the metal clips out, they'll come out. You take the old bulbs out, put the new bulbs in, and then plug it back into the roof, fix it back in there, and then throw the screw in, and then you're done. But wow, look at that, you guys. That, I would say, is pretty good. Pretty dang good. Alright, thank you guys very much for watching this video. I hope you like it. I will have the link down in the description below and just everything for you guys to be able to pick up and use these for yourself. And thank you, Autolite, for sending me these. I really appreciate it. I love them. Best light upgrade I've ever done for my vehicle, period. Best light upgrade. Interior-wise, the best. So thank you guys again for this. I mean, look at that. Look at how nice and clear that looks. Amazing. Thank you again, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye.